Hi, guys, and welcome to another PPC episode. It's been a while since I recorded something, so I'm back on track. For today's episode, I'm gonna show you a short little trick on how you can find new opportunities for growth of your account and also potential wasted ad spend that you may have. Everybody has it, right? Just a matter of how much. It's pretty easy to do it through Claude. I've tested this through ChatGPT, but Claude without any skills or anything beside the plain Claude is all that you need. Beside that, you need sponsored product targeting report, sponsored product search term report, sponsored product search term impression share report, and additionally, it would be also beneficial if you can pull search query performance report for the last month or last few weeks, whatever you choose, and put all of that into Claude. And I will share additional prompt on how to do it. It's fairly simple. So in case that any one of you is not sure where to find the reports, just head to your campaign manager, then hover over the left side of the screen, and under measurement and reporting, it's going to look like this. When you click, you will see sponsor ad reports. Once you click that, you will be presented with a screen like this. And then you will see the history of your already created reports. You need to go hit create report. So once you do that, it's pretty simple. So as I said, sponsor products, yeah, you can do this for sponsor brand as well, sponsor display, but let's focus on sponsored products just for the sake of simplicity. Now start with the search term report. So you select search term report. Make sure to always select the same date range. So last 30 days, for example, and then put the report name, hit run report. Then repeat the process and select sponsor products report, then targeting report, sponsor product, and then instead of the targeting report, select search term impression share report. And that's it, hit run. And lastly, go to your Seller Central, select Brand Analytics, and then under Search Analytics, click Search Query Performance. You will get something like this, and then you can select, for example, um, monthly, then select a year, select last month. As soon as the month finishes and you wait for a few days, then you will have the, for example, March data in a few days. Hit apply and then generate download and download search query performance report. Uh, all of that you need to put into Claude, and it's very simple prompt. So I've downloaded and uploaded the all the four reports and just hit say this. Analyze these reports. You can expand if you like, but I've seen great results even with this simple prompt. Analyze these reports and identify gaps and potential growth opportunities. Output the results as an Excel file with multiple sheets. Now, I already have a number of skills installed on my Claude, but for this specific occasion, my additional prompt was do not use any predefined skills, anything that we've talked about previously. Just analyze the reports as you would do it, without any skills. And this is what I got. So it's going to look something like this. On the left side, there's going to be an overview of what you've already what the cloud analyzed, and on the right there's going to be a preview of an Excel sheet that you can download by clicking here on this button. And I'm not going to go through everything, not to expose the brand data, but you can see that there's going to be executive summary, like the overall view of what's going on, what are the gaps, and how much of the ad spend was pure waste. And then it goes in details like wasted ad spend, growth opportunities, search query performance, conversion gaps. It's pretty amazing, like what to do to defend your brand, which keywords to harvest from search terms into keywords, and some search query performance report data as well. So this will be enough for you and your advertising team to have fun for a few weeks. And you can repeat this process every 2 weeks, or even faster if your account has much more data going on. So it's pretty simple. Everyone can. I think this can also be done on a free cloud um, account. You don't have to pay, but I haven't tested out. This is the paid one, the basic one for $20 a month. It's going to be a pretty good exercise for you as well if you're the one who's managing the ad account of some other brand. To it's like additional pair of eyes for you to see what are the gaps and opportunities for you. Let me know if this was clear, and if you have any comments, please let me know. I'll be glad to help you out. See you tomorrow in the next video. Bye bye.